Hello everyone, my name is Justina Deborah Affle, and I haven't been on YouTube for about a year now. I made a video a year ago about my experience with hair school and changing my major, etc. And I'm definitely due for a YouTube video. I want to commend all of you YouTubers and beauty influencers. Tongue twister. But I definitely want to commend all you YouTubers and beauty influencers because this is not easy. It took me about 3 hours to set up. And I'm pretty sure that's also because I don't have an actual camera yet. I'm using my phone. But I just want to shout out one of my good friends, Vanessa Jima, for inspiring me to really start my YouTube and being more serious about it. Because if it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't be on here. So let's get started. Today I'm going to do a sleek ponytail for you guys. And I've already flat ironed my hair. It's not super straight, but it's straight enough to get this popping. Okay, so I use the hot comb and I use the flat iron. And I'm going to do a side swoop ponytail. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that without glue. No glue. No glue. No glue. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair for you guys. So I'm going to separate the bang part from everything else. Just because I literally don't want to mess with that right now. Because when I touch this bang pot, it has to be popping, you know? So while I'm here on YouTube today, I definitely will be having a story or two to talk about. Why not? This is the perfect time for story time. But I'm definitely going to be talking to you guys about my skin and the products that I have been using and the facials that I've been receiving, etc. Because skin is so important. But before we get started with that, I'm going to show you guys the products I use to wash, condition my hair and the heat protector that I use. So for now, let me finish sectioning this off. Man, I'm telling you, this is not easy, man. Like, this is not easy. So today, I will put y'all on to Paul Mitchell's Tea Tree line. This is the lavender mint line. It is super, super moisturizing and invigorating. I love it. I did go to Paul Mitchell, so, you know, just to say. But this stuff is amazing. I use the shampoo and the conditioner together. Why not? Some people I know personally just use the conditioner on its own, but this stuff is absolutely amazing. Let me show y'all one more time. It's really good stuff, man. Ignore the broken nail. We won't talk about it. But okay, so that's what I washed my hair with and conditioned it with. And then I put this all over my head like a crackhead. And I also am coming up with a hair oil line, which I'm working on currently. And I use that all over my hair as well. So it's kind of greasy. If this was going to be like a silk press, I definitely wouldn't have put as much oil in it. So yeah. Let's get started. I'm going to do this ponytail first, and we'll go from there. This is really hard to do because I barely could see myself. So, skincare, boom. I think it was 2015 to 2016 is when I started breaking out like crazy. Like, I mean, I don't even know what it was, but honestly, it was bad. It was real bad. I'm sure all my friends can attest to that, and I'm sure my mom and family can just be like, just in the Lord, what is going on? So right now I'm using the hot comb. I got this hot comb from Amazon. It is called, it's Andis. It's the Andis hot comb. And I'm just trying to get all my little baby hairs, you know, my little baby crust. Super, super sleek. You feel me? So once you do that, so honestly, the back you don't care about, but you care about. So I'm going to still make sure it's nice and sleek in the back. And honestly, let's be real. Coronavirus is scary. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! It's scary. So while we're all quarantined inside, this is an easy hairstyle to do and still be cute. And still take pictures, because I know some of y'all beauty influencers be taking all y'all pictures, and y'all still need to be taking pictures for these sponsors and sponsorships and endorsements and yada yada yada. Y'all still gotta get paid. So I feel like this is the perfect hairstyle to do in-house. That's simple, easy, yet effective. So first things first, I've already sectioned off everything and I'm gonna put it in ponytail. But before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all this edge control. It's like a low-key crack. You're welcome. It is called the 24-hour edge tamer. And I'm telling y'all, this stuff is good stuff. So I'm going to use a little bit, not too much, because at the end, when I'm all done, I'm going to also do it again. But for now, just to get my edges and everything sleeked, I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to use the Got To Be Spritz. I also use a little bit of beeswax, not too much. And as I said before, I'm not going to use too much because I just want it to be sleek. But obviously, at the end, I'm definitely going to put a little bit of more on my edges so that my edges can be super sleeky. But for now, just a little bit just to get this nice and... So as you guys can see, I'm not putting too much product at all. I don't like it to be, you know, like super, super like thick. And like, I don't like a lot of residue, all that. And then y'all know how some people be leaving. I don't really like that little bang thing. So I'm not going to really do that for y'all. So see, I didn't put a lot at all. Minimal amounts. So I'm going to keep that up, and I'm going to do the same thing to my back edges because look, Lord. Y'all know these kitchens be looking crusty, honey. And y'all can't catch me slipping outside. But who's going outside? We're quarantined inside. Okay, so I have my hating little cousin over here in the background being my little helper. Whatever she doing. I'm sure sometime within this video I will definitely be bringing Chino for you guys to meet him. He is my baby, my dog, my puppy, my life. Why is he barking? Jessica, I need that green brush, please. You left him in there? Are you drunk? Get him out. Jessica, bring the brush. I need the brush. Anyways, it's really hard because I don't have a monitor, so I can't really see what I'm doing all like that. But y'all know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So now, oh, my comble's burning, Lord. Coronavirus. And look, my friends make fun of me because I like to do side ponytails on the side. I feel like if you're gonna have a big swoop on your head, why wouldn't you put it to the side so you can see the ponytail? Like, you can see the ponytail from the back when you do it all back, but you're not gonna see it from the side. So you call me whatever you want, ghetto, whatever. That's how I like to do my ponytails. So that's what we're doing today. It's gonna go to this side. Anyways, back to my skincare. So yeah, in 2015, my skin just took a turn. I think that was the time like I got really introduced to like a full face of makeup. So I used to do like full faces like every other day, if not every day. And obviously that was no good for my hair. Let me check and make sure that this ponytail will be, that's good, that's cool. So it's not too much to the side looking like a bird, but you know, side enough. But anyways, yeah, so I'm still honestly breaking out. It's just not as bad because I've been getting facials. I go to this place called the Skin Medical Center in Gahanna, Columbus, Ohio. For those of you that are not from Ohio, go to your nearest, medical spa place and get you either a dermabrasion or dermaplaning or a chemical peel, anything of that sort. Once they give you a consultation and see your skin, I'm sure they'll be able to let you know what's best for your skin. I get a combination of all three just because my skin needs it like really bad. Chino wants to say hi, guys, so I'm gonna bring Chino up here. Chino, say hi. This is my puppy, guys. Say hi. Okay, bye. Love you. So anyways, so that's been helping. And then recently, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's expensive for facials. So I took a little break. And I wasn't getting my facials just because it got so expensive. It's literally like almost $200 every time I go, but I'm an ambassador of where I get my facials at. So they decreased it to me for $120, which isn't too bad at all. But it got expensive, so I didn't go as much, and then my face started messing up again. Like, I was clearing up initially, and then because I wasn't keeping up with it, my skin started breaking out again. And then, of course, I stopped using all the products that they gave me, so then it was just like back to square one. So I went about now a month ago, and my derm was like, girl, don't do this again because you were on the right track. You have to keep coming. So now I'm like, no matter what, even if it's the last of the last of the last, I'm going to give me a facial. But the products that I've been using is called Obagi products. You have to buy it from like a medical person because they're really restricting on how they sell their product. I don't know why, but I guess it's because it's a medical grade product. They're very, very careful who they sell to because not everyone can use such vigorous products. So now, let's continue with the ponytail. So y'all see this is already popping. Let's be real. This is hot. Look. So I know y'all in the video watching, for those of us who are quarantined home, are like, where's she about to go? I'm going home. What club you going to? Home. Where you going to see? What man you going to see? Nothing. I'm going to be at home. They about to be like, girl, you about to go drinking? Yeah, at home. No, but for real though. Okay. So now I am going to add this part of the ponytail into this part of the ponytail, or the remaining part. So the hair that I left out initially, I purposely did that so I can take my time and frame the bang to my liking. And then I'm also going to kind of like freeze it in with hairspray. And then once I get it like to the point where I like it, I can't really talk, this is hard. Then I will add spray and form it and everything. So I like my bang to be super duper deep. That's my personal preference. Like not hanging the eyebrow, but almost.
Are you sure?
I said hanging. Not hiding the eyebrow, but almost hiding the eyebrow. So everyone's preference is different. That's just my own preference. Just because, I mean, I know I don't have a big forehead, but I just feel like if you're going to do a bang ponytail or a sleek side part ponytail, you got to go all the way. What's the point of being mediocre at this point? Because you already know, like, ponytails are already super, super simple. So I feel like, oh, look at that piece. If you don't go all the way and have some emphasis somewhere, it's almost no point. But see, look, during this quarantine time, y'all, I'm going to be loyal to y'all. I'm really coming here and I'm really going to make videos for y'all because I've been sitting and thinking and praying and looking, and I'm just like, I really love YouTube. Like, my personality and the type of person that I am, it's meant for YouTube. I am here to stay. No, but for real. Okay, so now, I definitely obviously lose focus a lot. Sorry, guys. I swear I don't have ADHD. So, now I'm going to add in that part of the ponytail like I told y'all I would. But first, I have to make sure that this is crispy. That this is legit. Because so far, I ain't even do the baby hairs yet. It's already looking like that ponytail, baby. Honey. It's already looking fleeky, I tell you. Okay. So, I don't really like what this is doing right here. Up. Damage control. I'm so sorry my chair keeps squeaking. Let me sit back a little bit. Okay. I got it, y'all. I think the ponytail's good. We're good. We're good. We're safe. Okay. So you add the rest of that in. Everything's still neat. I feel like I made this look too easy for y'all. Like, this is about to be everyone's hairstyle now. Just watch my video and you can... Alright, so now, this. The Holy Grail. Yeah? I'm literally about to spray this on here like it's nobody's business, man. This hair from my line. My hairline is called a full crown. And this is just a 14-inch body wave. And I don't want the ponytail to be super duper long, so this works well. I've already done my braid, as y'all can see. With my real hair, I didn't add any extensions. But as I said, and I mentioned it before, if you would like it to be super duper long, just add some extension, like some weave, and then like braid it down, and then just add it on there. And use a single weft all the way through for a ponytail. No, I'm going to keep it doubled. And yeah. So I have this. Y'all see the rubber band here? I'm going to use that. It's very beneficial. Y'all see that? You see it? You see it? And then I have a needle and thread. And then I'm gonna just start sewing. And I'm not gonna lie, it is a little difficult to do it on yourself, but I've done it before. It's doable, but I mean, obviously it's gonna be a little hard. So what I do is I use the needle and I go through both pieces of the weft. And then I get the end where the rubber band is, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just put it right through the rubber band. So you put it through just so it has like something to secure onto, you know what I mean? If it goes. All right, so I'm gonna do that. I got it on there. Pull all the way through, and then I'm gonna sew it again right there. this all sewn in. And the thing is, I didn't sew it too tight as y'all was seeing or as y'all saw because I know I'm not going to keep this in. So now I'm going to focus on my baby hairs. Got a little bit of edge control. And I don't really like a lot of baby hairs. Like, some people will probably do like that. So some people will probably do like swoop there and then another swoop right here. And just because, you know, that's what everybody else will probably prefer, I'll do that for y'all. But I usually like one swoop, but that's actually popping. Look at that, that's bomb. All right, and then I'm gonna get my little corner right here, cause you know everybody got a little corner right there. And then I'm gonna get this more like nice and neat, cause it's a little loose. Okay. And then I'm gonna definitely, oh wow. I'm definitely gonna spray this and spray some more spritz on here. And I'm gonna blow dry again. On low air, on low heat, I should say. So I'm not gonna get it crispy because look, it's quarantine, so I'm in the house anyways. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Oh, by the way, so this is just a 14-inch body wave, and that starts at $65. Very affordable, not bad at all. If any of you are interested in purchasing, just text or DM me on Instagram at Touched by Tina. TOUCHED, honey, by Tina. So I will make sure I drop all the links below. But let's wait for the final. So the ponytail is finished, as you guys can see. I got a little bedazzle for y'all. I got this top from Pretty Little Things. There's a little bit of cleavage, but you know, if you were going out tonight, or if I was going out tonight, this would have been appropriate. Where you about to go? Home. I got these earrings from Fashion Nova. But yeah, so the ponytail's done. A closer view. I don't want to show y'all all of the back because it might be a little ratchet for you guys. But yeah, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions and or concerns, leave them in the comments below. And I'll definitely be back next week. Bye guys.